New dental products and materials are coming to market all the time, and I recently received this from Curaprox. It's the Hydrosonic Ortho powered toothbrush. I thought it would be fun if we opened it together. All right, so let's look at this together. The Curaprox Hydrosonic brush was developed in conjunction with Dr. Uli Saxer, the founder of the first school for dental hygienists in Switzerland. According to Dr. Saxer, the key strength of this toothbrush lies in the brush heads themselves. There are 3 brush heads available: sensitive, power, and single. The sensitive brush head is self-explanatory. The power brush head would be the standard, and the single brush head is ideal for working around the gum line or orthodontic appliances. All the brush heads feature the trademark Cura Curve, which is a bend that makes it possible to reach all areas of the mouth, and the famous Curaprox bristles, dubbed Curin, are soft, gentle, and effective with hydrodynamic cleaning. The toothbrush itself has a total of 7 different power settings. Well, there you have it, the Hydrosonic Ortho from Curaprox. The sensitive head bristles are very, very soft. The standard power head bristles are soft enough, but still feel like they'll clean well. And the little single head, great for getting those hard to reach places. The base does have a USB charging plug, but also comes with this handy adapter if you prefer to plug it into the wall. Travel case, nothing special here, but a great way to take the brush with you on the road. We'll see you next time.